what all of the traditions that I know of have in common is that healing takes place in a state where we feel safe enough. Not safe. I don't know who gets that, but some people get less of it than others. Safe enough. A lot of what I have learned here is also from Aikido. I should mention that. So everything I'm teaching is applicable to combat situations. When I'm on the Aikido mat and 3 people are attacking me from 3 different directions, for me to be in touch with my inner resources and responding from my best, including a state in which if I take a hard roll, it may hurt, but I'm less likely to be damaged. I need to be finding where my core of internal safe enough is. Meaning, I'm about to be attacked. That's not where my safety is going to come from. For instance, I'm going to need to be in touch with my own bones. So I'm inviting us to find them right now. Can we feel our bones? Often when in danger, we're up in our nerves. We're up in our skin. And this is not about leaving our nerves and our skin. We need them. But at the same time, can I feel my bones inside? Usually feeling our weight helps. Because bones are the heaviest part of us. And kind of anchoring in gravity and letting the earth with its welcome pull on our bones and hold us in our bones. It's like a stillness at the core. Our blood could be racing. Our nerves are firing like mad. Things are moving very fast. But if we're with our bones, there's a stillness in the midst of the action. You may have felt it. Some people feel it like when they're in a car that's going to crash. Suddenly everything's moving very, very slowly. That can happen, just happens to you. But it is also something that, as an athlete of healing, we can actually train into. Here I am, right in the middle of this situation. Am I all nerves and blood? Firing nerves and boiling blood? Or am I firing nerves, boiling blood, and bones? This is very important in a combat situation. Or in any situation where there's danger, where there's threat, or even just in any situation where decisions are going to be made that make a real difference. And you don't want to be going just on your limbic system. You don't want to be making decisions just based on fight, flight.